Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. In today's lesson, we're going to be working on writing equations of lines when they only give you 2 points, like here. So they give us the point 4, 4 comma 3, and 1 comma 9 coordinates. So when I have these 2 points, one of the first things I need to do is I need to turn it to standard form and all that using the point sort formula, but I need to find the slope first. So I set it up here, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I'm going to find the slope, and I'm going to do it 9 minus 3 on top and 1 minus 4 on the bottom. Okay? So 9 minus 3 is 6, while 1 minus 4, that will be a negative 3. And we know that 6 divided by negative 3 is a negative 2. So our slope is negative 2. Okay? So we have the slope now. So then I'm going to use this to be for the point slope formula. Okay, so I'm gonna go here to this part here. So this is how it's looking. Y minus y1 equals m times parentheses x minus x1. And let's put the numbers that are gonna fit to substitute it in. So y minus y1, which is 3, what I chosen, equals the slope negative 2, parentheses x minus x1, which we chose to be 4. Okay? And I'm going to continue that here. So, yeah, we have it there. So it's going to be y minus 3 equals negative 2 times x. That will be negative 2x. I'm going to distribute this. And negative 2 times negative 4, that will be positive 8. Okay? That'll be positive 8. So then now, we remember the standard form. We need to have the x to be positive. So what I'm going to do is I need to add this 2 to the other side, this 2x. So I'm going to bring that over here and add it from both sides. So that will leave me with 2x plus y minus 3 equals 8. Then I'm going to add this 3 to the other side. So I can have a number on the other side to match the standard form. So it'll be 2x plus y equals 11. Okay, so let me check in everything. The ax is positive, which is 2x. We have the by, our y is fine. And we have our c. No fractions involved. It all looks good. So our answer will be 2x plus y equals 11. And that's our standard form. Okay? And that's how you do it, step by step. All right, guys. That's the end of the lesson. This is Mr. Frederick, out.